How to fix Snapchat message not showing on Snapchat. Today guys, I have the solution how to fix and solve this problem. Just follow this video until the end. So let's start. First you will just open the settings of your phone and you will go directly to apps or applications. And on apps or application, what you should do right now, just uh, go and search for Snapchat app. Sorry, when you found it like this, just open it and go to storage and go to the last button here, clear data, click OK and go back and click force stop and click OK, and that's it, your problem will fixed. So I hope this video is useful for you guys. Do not forget to like and subscribe in our channel and see you in another video.